Hey YouTube, want to show you real quick what I've got going on here. Just redid my door panel on the other side. I wanted to show you what it looked like first before I ever got started. I also show you my new headliner that I have put in. On the other side, I didn't get to this bottom piece yet. Haven't taken that off. I'm actually going to take it to a detail guy that's going to pull all the carpet out of it and shampoo it and clean it up. But you see, guys, this door panel here, pretty rough. Got some scratches in it, up top, all over. Pretty typical for these old trucks. Pretty rough shape. Something I haven't done yet on the other side is my seat belt cover. I'm gonna have to pull those off, pull them out, and carry them and have them done. But we'll walk around here right quick, show you this other side. Complete and total difference. Again, haven't done the bottom yet. It really ain't too bad dirty, but still a little filthy. Gonna have the door jambs and stuff all cleaned up. This side's not much cleaner as far as the seat, full board, still same thing. Seat belt cover needs to be cleaned and taken care of, but a little bit of cleaning, a little bit of paint, about 4 hours of work, and it's all good. I've got this little piece here somewhere. I'll have to find it. It's hiding from me right now, but I'll get it. I'll find it. Show you this headliner. Got to redo my sun visors. Redid my trim coming up the side all the way around and down on the A pillar, B pillar. This piece that runs along the top and the side. Took care of all that stuff today. I don't know if you can see all that, but looks a lot better than it did. So that's where I'm at with it, guys. Dash is still pretty clean, just wiped it down. Not going to do anything with it. It's carpet pulled out, seat pulled out, get all that stuff cleaned up, and should be good to go. But there's that door panel. A little bit of hard work, a little bit of money, a whole lot of scrubbing. So I'm gonna cut the video, and hope you like what you see. Have a good one.